Symbud Myntri rangbah ka jylla, Bah Prestone tynsong, haba kren cekilat pathai khubor, mynta ka sngi ka tarik jymmang hajar pusau, ulaong ba patlat pynthikna, bah ka Jingkawang Petrol kan Dei Naka Jingshah Kem Dkhot ka seng KSU.
Instructed the police force, DGP, to be on the ground and then to make sure that these things does not happen in the future. Let me tell you one thing. I don't say whether KSU or not KSU members. When we arrest any person, you need to understand one thing. We strictly follow from all angles, where, how, and why. Then ultimately investigation starts taking place, and thereafter again it will go to the court and let the court ultimately decide things. So my point here is very clear. I don't say whether those people whom we already pick up, whom we already arrested, belongs from KSU or from other group of people, but let the law takes its own course. Okay. Number two, still I don't believe that the petrol bomb happens because of the arrest of the members of so-called KSU. I am very sure they are also very measured people. I don't think that happens, because right now we will not allow from our side. Let the law prevails, and we will not allow these things to happen, and therefore we will make sure that the law and order is, whatever you see, is safe and does not break down at all. It's like this: be cool and calm. Be cool and calm. I think if you say law and order is totally broken down, it's not like that. There are incidents like that where the petrol bomb, happen. Maybe in 4, 5, or 6, or 7, and 8 places. That happened, but at the same time, let me tell you, from the police side, from the home, we are on the job and will make sure that people are fully safe and secure. As I said to you, we will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again reoccur.